Hello and welcome back to the channel. If it's your very first time, you're most welcome. My name is Mathake Mirembe, and today's video I'm going to show you how to join the Fiverr affiliates program and start earning money, okay, through referrals and stuff like that. Yes, this is Atutaka Solutions. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and turn on that bell notification so you will know whenever I upload a new video. So personalized commission plan is, you have to read through the plans, and you want to know how the payment system is, how you're going to be earning, and everything like that. So they're telling you that start earning right from the moment your traffic converts. Okay, check out our commission plan. So there is that other commission plan, and I'm going to show you, or you can check it out by your own self. And yeah, please let me know, have you been trading or selling on Fiverr or buying on Fiverr? Have you used it before, or is it your very first time? How is it for you? Please let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so there's this commission plan, $15 to 150 CPA. Then there is that of 10% revenue share. Then there is that 100 plus 10% for Fiverr Pro. There's like there's a number of ways that you can, there are a number of ways that you can earn. So a dynamic CPA depending on and then you want to read through all this so that you're well conversed with what the commission looks like. Okay, and then I think the minimum before you withdraw, the minimum that you should have gathered on Fiverr before you can opt to withdraw is $100. So that's just the minimum every month. So when you gather that every month, they'll pay you on the 2nd of the next month. Yeah, I don't know if it really depends on the country where you are, but yeah, let me know. Let me know if you've tried out this before. And yeah, so there is the Fiverr hybrid, which is the 10% reverse share, revenue share, not reverse share. Then there's more products you can promote, from learning new skills to converting your freelancing logistics. All right, and Fiverr has a product for every audience. Okay, so now like this is the breakdown, like the data science, like in every, for the Fiverr CPA commissions, it's broken down in these several, in different industry categories. There's Fiverr Pro or Fiverr Pro services, industrial and product design, organics and design, data science, data. So in mobile apps, there's programming and tech. Under website development, there's programming and tech. Okay, that's that's under the $50 revenue share. Then under the $40 revenue share, there's the website builders and CMS, programming and tech, stuff like that. Okay, so like you practically check in every category and see how much you should expect as a revenue share for that matter. Then there's that of $30, there's that of $25, that of 30 days. Under e-commerce product videos, there's video and animation, stuff like that, up to the 15th, the $15. Okay, all other categories, those could fall under the $15. So that would be the revenue share. Okay, so then if you if you're really interested in that, after analyzing the whole system, the whole commission plan, then you can decide to sign up for an affiliates account. So now you put in your first name, you put in your last name, you put in your address, you put in your password, and all the required information. Then you can also choose a username. If you want, you can use it, you can use the same email as that of your Fiverr account, and even the username could be the same, like to make work easier for you. And it's really up to you. Okay, so you want to make sure you're connected, your internet is properly connected. And then again, that's the commission plan. I've already taken you through that. So it's up to the $15. Ah, so I think, was I signing in or what? Okay, I think I refreshed the page. Did I? Yeah, I think I refreshed the page. Or as first of all signing in with my Fiverr account, then now you can sign up. But I think I just refreshed. Alright, so then do you have a main source of traffic? They'll ask you, like, if you have a main source of traffic, then you'll have to put that in, whether it's YouTube or whether it's, what is it? Twitter, Pinterest, or stuff like that. Yep. And then there's account type and everything like that. So you fill that in, and then you choose the company type, account type. Is it company or private? Then you want to choose the country, because every country I think has its own terms and conditions and stuff like that. I don't know really, but yeah, you just put your country, because they'll ask you to put your number and to verify and stuff like that. So after all that is done, then you choose the language that you can easily understand, or that you want the page to show, that you want to be shown, that you want the page, blah, blah, blah. Okay, do you have like the language you understand most? So it will be the display language for you. Okay, so if there is a secondary URS and stuff like that, so now if you put that you have a source, now you when you put YouTube, they'll ask you for your YouTube channel name and then the link. So that was what I was getting right here quickly, and then that is my main like I put that as my main traffic something. Okay, so after that then I went to Facebook and also got generated a link. You just go to your profile up there, and then down below you copy the link, and then you come and put it in here under the Facebook. If you put okay, there's primary and then secondary. So primary is YouTube, so I put the YouTube link, and then secondary is Facebook, then I put the Facebook link. Okay, now when you type, like I don't know this, but when I wanted to continue before putting in the secondary thing, the sign up wasn't really available. It required me to do Skype. But when I filled in the secondary and primary links, so the Skype wasn't really necessary. But after that, I just had to make another. I signed in my Skype account. It had taken long, many years without using. Okay. So tell us a little about yourself. How do you plan to promote Fiverr services? This information will allow us to better assist you. You may select more than one answer. So is it paid search? Is it content sites? Is it search engine marketing, or the SEO? Is it YouTube, Twitch? I don't know about that one. Social media, product / app integration, blogs, display advertising, offline or affiliate networks, forums. I don't have a traffic source yet, or other. So you just put what applies to you. If you don't have a traffic source yet, then you can also tick on that. But like, how are you going to promote Fiverr products when you don't have a thing yet? I don't know really. But you should. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. But should have at least a traffic source. So what are your audience's key interests? So this information will allow us to better assist you. Again, you may select more than one answer. So you choose, is it graphics and design? Is it digital marketing? Is it writing and translations? Is it video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, fun and lifestyle? All Fiverr services. If it's all Fiverr services, then it will automatically tick the above boxes. Okay, if it's not listed up there, still you can click on other. Then you have to agree to the terms and conditions, agree to the private policy. Before you agree, you want to make sure you read the terms and privacy policy, privacy and smart terms and conditions. and then the privacy policy. So me, I had did I read really? I didn't read so much, but yeah, of course, if you don't agree, you will not be able to register. But yeah, for informational purposes, you have to read and understand what it is all about, so that you don't surprise yourself. So congrats, you're a Fiverr affiliate. You know, it's that easy. So start doing. Okay. So don't forget about us when you're a big shot. Okay, so we are so glad to have you on board, and we'll do our best to tailor feature offers and content to your unique affiliate profile. You're now free to start promoting the world's largest marketing for freelance services and cashing in on some commission. All right, so that's it. And yeah, like, it's so easy. Now you want to go. So now I was trying to go to my account, to my Fiverr account, and yeah, I'm still in the Agundi, in the affiliate. Why am I yawning so much? All right, so please note that due to data protection regulations changing within the European Union, why was I receiving that? I don't know. So so I think you just have to agree to that. They don't have whatever's in European countries, so, and you have to consent to that. So then these are your commissions so far. Like, this is where your data, I think this is more friendable. This is more friendly and more like, I think, like the way they track, impressions, stuff like that. It's very easy for you to track your data and stuff like that. So you can always go to dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, earnings report, pixels, commissions plan, sub affiliates. So now you go to why do I do that? Oh god, sorry guys. Okay, so you're almost there. Either your account hasn't reached the 100 threshold yet. So I was trying to do the payment request. So you go for payment request, and now before you request payment, it must be at least at $100 before you can withdraw, right? Okay, or you just reach the threshold this month. Once you do, you can request a payment starting from the second of the following month. As I told you before, we look forward to receiving and honoring your request. Okay, so payments report, that's it for payments. And there's payment history, there's payment request. Okay, that one we've checked. Then now you can check in where, like, yeah, I was just clicking random places to see what is there. May I do these videos for beginners, and if you're a beginner, this channel is good for you. Me, I just do it raw, uncut, just the way it is. I just show you the way it is. Like, yeah, beat your best month. So the ultimate affiliate toolkit, they give even, like, there are resources for you here. If you're to do it on Instagram, maybe share your links on web and blog and Facebook. They'll give you banner ads, cover design, account management, or like if you want to shop for those services, there are people on Fiverr freelancing doing those those things, so they can help you boost, like, because it's a numbers game. Like, the more people get to your link, or the more your link gets to more places, maybe people visit, and then they'll sign up, and then they'll click, and then they'll do all those good stuff. Then they'll buy. There's that commission for FTB, like first time buyers. So I was just checking here, like, edit the search box text, add a delivery time, define a search box, choose which logo to show. You can always check here everything, or you can decide to reset. So here you're customizing your Fiverr search box. All right, ladies, give this video a thumbs up. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you tried, like, this affiliate stuff for Fiverr, or are you a buyer on Fiverr? Are you a seller on Fiverr? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And yep, because when we share, we care. All right, so if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them if I'm well acquainted. All right, so there's this filter creatives, filter by brand, filter by type, filter by language, filter by creative name. Okay, is it by videos, like those resources? Okay, as you can see here, for videos, the videos maybe on YouTube or stuff like that. So like here you can get those resources. Yeah, if you want maybe like a video to promote your to push your link further, or to get people visit the page more frequently, you can source this. Okay, so this is the branding preview and stuff like that. If you want last minute brand, okay, brand designers turn nothing into something. Okay, I hope that is how it ends. It's this brand, Fiverr capture, Fiverr CPA, language, English type, video size. Yeah, so this one is the one on YouTube. Freelance services on demand. Okay. Order complete. Okay, so yeah, they'll share these videos like for you to send them somewhere, and people get a click on what you're really saying, what you're meaning, or what is up with that, you know. All right, again, just to give you the summary of it all now. For example, this is your dashboard, and then if you want to see the performance for yesterday, for today, you just click on whichever date you want or whichever timing that you want to know, and then click on update. Then it will be showing you the your performance, how many unique clicks, how many registrations, how many first time buyers, or the whole commission. Yeah, so that's all like that. Yeah, so like today it's 0, and then maybe yesterday you want to see how much yesterday, how many clicks. So unique clicks and 0 registrations, 0 impressions, everything 0, since it's just a new thing, it's a new account. So marketing you go to marketing tools to generate to get your link, marketing tools, and then deep links. Okay, default and deep links. You click there, and then it will bring for you, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links. So there's Fiverr CPA, there's Fiverr hybrid, there's all that good stuff. And then when you click on any of those, as we said before, each of them has a different revenue share budget or program. And then now if you want to do for example, there is a particular seller or buyer, rather, is it buyer, seller, if there's a particular seller that you want to whose service you want to get to share to that particular gundi, so you go to their page, to their gig, you want to share that gig, you bring that, copy that link, put it in that LPUR something, and then you click on all that. If not, just click on this one in the rectangular boxes. You get it? Yeah. So, and then you share it wherever you want. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.